Hasselblad 500cm, my absolute favorite camera for both film or digital. So this is a film back on it, but you can adapt a digital back, which I own, and I'll show you that in an upcoming episode, how we get that digital back on there. This thing is absolutely beautiful, built to last for decades. Wonderful Carl Zeiss lenses on this. I can't say enough about how much I appreciate this camera, and every time I'm holding it, I'm thinking of all the history and all the great photographers of the past who used this camera to make incredible portraits. Here's an example of a couple of my portraits that I shot with this camera.